people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Krystal the Gypsy, and if you're new here, I like to travel. I'll take you all over the world with me. Right now, we are in Alexandria, Virginia, and we're staying at an Embassy Suites because it's my birthday weekend. So we came up here to just have some fun. So let me give you a tour of our room, and then we'll get into everything else. So we ask every reservation, we always ask them for extra towels, and we also ask them for extra pillows and a blanket because Ronnie sometimes gets cold. As if we don't produce enough body heat, he still gets cold. Embassy Suites is infamous for having like a 2-room suite. So we have our little sitting area with a couch. We have a workstation table right there, don't mind my coat. Big TV. And we've got some storage happening over here. And then the other thing I like about Embassies is you get a nice little kitchenette. So coffee maker, mini fridge, microwave, you know, a little extra sink. And I love Green Mountain coffee. I actually drink their Dark Magic because yes, I'm a witch. So I like their Dark Magic blend, but it's a dark roast blend, which they don't have any of those here. I do like Twinings tea, so that's good. Ice bucket, and then we've got the bedroom right there, which we'll get to that in a second. The bathroom, which this is kind of how I expect an Embassy bathroom to be. It's kind of narrow, and it's an old style tub shower combo. I can't wait for them to remodel and do glass, but I digress. A nice big mirror with a wonderful light so you can do your makeup. And now to the bedroom. Let's see. Nice big king bed. Love that. Gonna enjoy that. You've got your nice wardrobe. Oh, I like this full-length mirror. Love a full-length mirror. Ironing board, iron. Another big TV, some more storage. And there's the safe at the top there. Got places to hang up your stuff. They got the luggage rack. More towels and probably another pillow. And then they have laundry services here, so if you need that, there's always that. Looks like they've got a nice little vanity over here. And then some side tables. And of course, because we're in Alexandria, Virginia, which isn't far from the capital and DC, they've got tons of pictures and photos of the DC area. But always, like I tell you, my favorite part of any room is the view. So let's take a look and see what we've got going on, guys. Which looks like the view of another building. And it did recently snow, so there is snow still on the ground. But we're in a really nice area, so I'm excited to explore tomorrow. Yeah, this elevator's fast. Look, there's Jess and Preston already waiting for us. Whoa. Dang! I feel like we just entered into, like, we made an entrance like of the Avengers. So one of the things about Embassy Suites is they have a cocktail hour, which obviously it's closed right now because it's like late at night. But here's the bar area. And this is where I'm guessing everybody has breakfast. And you can have a seat and everything. Well, let's go explore. So this area is closed. However, just gonna take a little peek. So I'm guessing this is where they have breakfast and everything. They'll probably have stuff. I'm gonna take a look in here anyways. Yeah, see. Yeah. Oh, they will have oatmeal. They have hot cereal. So that's what they will have oatmeal. Oh, they got an omelet station here. So eggs your way. Okay, so yeah. You can have the chef make you eggs however you want them. And then I'm guessing this up here is probably more seating. If not, that's like their bar area too as well. When they have cocktail hour. Yeah, I'm guessing this is the Atrium Lounge. Beautiful. Beautiful fountain. I'm loving the pothos, or as my sister likes to call them, pacos. And then they've got some anthurium plants. We stay at Embassies quite a bit, and I have to say the one thing that I think sets Embassies apart from like all other kind of brands is all this greenery. I love it. Look at all this greenery. They do have a business center. It's open 24 hours and an ATM. Now, if you've ever stayed in DC, tell me the best way to get around, if not metro. And the reason why I love staying at this hotel also in particular is that right there. The metro station is literally right across the street. Now, we've also stayed at the Hilton Arlington, which has a metro station literally just downstairs outside their lobby, which is great and super convenient. So another reason why I like staying at this Embassy, other than the fact that it's an embassy, and embassies are amazing. We're back in the elevator.
Fly in!
We just flew to the 3rd floor. Because the 3rd floor is where the pool is. See? Pool that way.
It is locked though.
I imagine so.
But there's a jacuzzi.
But they got a jacuzzi.
And a pool.
Good to know.
It's cute.
And there are the pool hours.
I'm flying now.
So it says the busiest times and the
Yeah.
slowest times.
I like that they put that up there too, where you can
going
like
down?
see that.
Yeah, I think you hit the button in time.
So Ronnie brought us to the bottom floor, and Sean is now taking us to the top floor. He is flying. We are flying up there. Oh, we've even got sound effects. I love it.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
This just in. We're gonna have to move rooms because the water won't stop running. Good morning, friends. Hi, good morning. We're gonna go down for some breakfast. I just wanted to show you my little view. So we're going down for breakfast. It's a big hotel. All right. Breakfast looks delicious. You think they have an amazing breakfast?
Very good.
Yeah, this looks really good.
And the eggs tasted real, which is nice.
Yeah, I'm excited about these eggs. Well, friends, that will conclude today's video of our stay at Embassy Suites. We're about to check out of our room and head out for some more birthday shenanigans. Let me know if you've stayed at any Embassy Suites and what your experience has been. Like I said, personally, we love Embassy Suites because they have a free breakfast, and the breakfast is always really good. So, hands down, one of our favorite Hilton brands to stay at. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!